All right, welcome back, traders. John Caruso here, June 10th. It is Friday, and of course, today is sponsored by the June CPI index, which was a hot reading, 8.6 year over year, up 1% month over month. I looked inside the number. Food up 1% versus 0.3 in April. Energy up 3.9 versus minus 2.7 in April, and gas up 4.1 versus minus 6.1 in April. The market reaction is as expected. The S&P 500 is puking down along 3,900. There's some downside support around 3,855, we think. However, path of least resistance remains down in stocks. 10-year pressing 312. We have backed off of our bearish bond call here recently, just simply because the signal was saying that we could retest that May high up around 317 and potentially beyond. The U.S. dollar is up again. It's very, very strong, above 104 right now. So much for the bearish dollar narratives that we've seen here as of late. We'll see if it sticks here. We'll see what's been priced in over the last 24 hours in the U.S. dollar. Gold sold off to about 1831. We think this is where you start becoming more bullish on gold going forward. We've got the levels down around 1785 that we need to hold, but we've got media-term support right here, 1830, then down again at 1812. So look at those key numbers as places to potentially be positioning bullish on gold again. I just heard from the director of the Economic Council here in the United States. Brian Deese came on CNBC, purely gaslighting the American people on inflation. I see no olive branch inside this number. I see no ray of hope or light inside of this number. Who knows? Things can change over the next 30 days, but we're just not seeing it right now. Even Jim Cramer was calling him out on some of the false narratives that he was spreading. So we're in a very critical point right now where a lot of the American people are starting to lose faith in their blue blood institutions, everywhere from the Federal Reserve to the mainstream media to the Oval Office even. America wants to hear the truth. We want to hear the truth. We don't want to hear you come on TV and gaslight about inflation. The Federal Reserve called inflation transitory a year ago, and here we are here today, 1 year later, June 10th, 2022, and inflation is still accelerating. That's all I have for you here today. We'll catch you back here next week. Take care.